Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to memorize a multiplication table. So first let's start with the times 1. So the one is just uh, just easy. So the times table of 1 is just the same as the number
Don't cover me.
as the same of
Don't
as
cover.
the
That's creepy.
same number. So yeah. So 1 times 1 is equals to 1. It's still the same. So yes, and it's also up to 2 until 10. So the times one is easy, is just the same one as you times them. So yep. The next one is the times 2. So how would you memorize the times table times 2? So how to memorize it is you could use it as a song, so you could be able to memorize it, or you just recite it all over again and again, so you would remember what's the number, what's the next um what's the next number after 2 times 1 is equals to 2. So after the 2 is 2 times 2 equals number 4. So yeah, and it's until times 20. You could use it as a song, so you can memorize it, and you could also just just recite it all over again, so you could memorize it really easy. So yep. And also it's the same as the times 3 up to times 10. So yep. And I'm going to write the nice possible ways to what do you call this, to memorize the time. So yep, the multiplication table up to number 10. So how do you memorize them? Use it into a song that you really love and put it into a multiplication. So yeah, put it into a multiplication memorization, so you can memorize it neatly and good, so your teacher will give you a nice grade. So as you see here, is there any drawings here? So draw. So as you can see, if you see the times 2 over here, like I highlight the times 2. So if I highlight this one, so if I highlight the 2, as you can see that times 2. So yep, if I highlight this stuff over here, it means you multiply it into 2. How do you multiply it? Like 2 times 1 equals 2, 2 times 2 equals 4, 2 times 3 equals 6, 2 times 4 equals 8, 2 times 5 equals 10, 2 times 6 equals 12, 2 times 7 equals 14, 2 times 8 equals 16, 2 times 9 equals 18, 2 times 10 equals 20. So the next is the times table 3. So let's put it into green. So I highlight this So let us recite it. 3 times 1 equals 3, 3 times 2 equals 6, 3 times 3 equals 9, 3 times 4 equals 12, 3 times 5 equals 15, 3 times 6 equals 18, 3 times 17 equals 21, 3 times 8 equals 24, 3 times 9 equals 27, and 3 times 10 equals 30. So let's recite the times table 4. We highlight it here. So yeah, 4 times 1 equals 4, 4 times 2 equals 3. 4 times 1 equals 4, 4 times 2 equals 8, 4 times 3 equals 12, 4 times 4 equals 16, 4 times 5 equals 20, 4 times 6 equals 24, 4 times 7 equals 28, 4 times 8 equals 32, 4 times 9 equals 36, and 4 times 10 is equals to 40. And next, let us highlight the 5 over here. So as you can see, 5 times 1 equals 5, 5 times 2 equals 10, 5 times 3 equals 15, 5 times 4 equals 20, 5 times 5 equals 25, 5 times 6 equals 30, 5 times 7 equals 35, 5 times 8 equals 40, 5 times 9 equals 45, 5 times 10 equals 50. And next is the 6 times table. See here, 6 times 1 equals 6, 6 times 2 equals 12, 6 times 3 equals 18, 6 times 4 equals 24, 6 times 5 equals 30, 6 times 6 equals 36, 6 times 7, 42, 6 times 8, 48, 6 times 9, 48, 54, 6 times 10 is 60. So the next one is times 7. 7 times 1 equals 7, 7 times 2 equals 14, 7 times 3 equals 12, 21, 7 times 4 equals 28, 7 times 5 equals 35, 7 times 6 equals 42, 7 times 7 equals 49, 7 times 8 equals 56, 7 times 9 equals 63, 7 times 10 equals 70. The next is times 8. 8 times 1 equals 2, 8 times 1 equals 8, 8 times 2 equals 16, 8 times 3 equals 34, 8 times 4 equals 32, 8 times 5 equals 45, 8 times 6 equals 48, 8 times 7 equals 56, 8 times 8 equals 64, 8 times 9 equals 72, 8 times 10 equals 80. The next one is times 9. 9 times 1 equals 9, 9 times 2 equals 18, 9 times 3 equals 26, 9 times 4 equals 36. So 9 times 3 is 27, 9 times 4 equals 36, 9 times 5 is 45, 9 times 6 equals 54, 9 times 7 is 63, 9 times 8 equals 72, 9 times 9 equals 81, 9 times 10 equals 90. So this is the very easiest one, is the times 10. 10 times 1 equals 10, 10 times 2 equals 20, 10 times 3 equals 30, 10 times 4 equals 40, 10 times 5 equals 50, 10 times 6 equals 60, 10 times 7 equals 70, 10 times 8 equals 80, 10 times 9 equals 90, 10 times 10 is 100. So you could memorize this all over and all over again, or you could use it as a song. After you make it a song, you could memorize it really fast. So hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this wonderful video. So bye.